Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. Sometimes we have to really take a step back and look at ourselves and think, what is really stopping you from getting to the next level, from getting to the level of success that you want to attain, whatever success looks like to you. What is stopping you from choosing yourself? Most of us go through life making excuses and we don't even realize that they're excuses because we're so used to them. Stop making excuses for why you can't exercise, for why you can't learn how to drive, for why you can't start your business, for why you're stuck at your job, for why you're not moving forward, for why your relationship is the way it should be, for why you're staying in a relationship that isn't no longer adding value, that is no longer flourishing, the relationship that is no longer positive. Stop making excuses for things. The sooner you realize your full potential, the sooner you realize your value, and the sooner you realize what you have to offer, the better your life will be. The faster you will progress and get to that next level and get to that level of success. Most of us go through life making up so many excuses, and I really think that if something is really important to you, if you really want to achieve, if you really want to be successful, if you really want to become the best version of yourself, I think what's important to you, you will make time for it and there'll be no excuses. You give it all you've got, you give it your 100% full potential, and nothing can get in the way of that. But because it's easier to make excuses, it's easy as human beings, we find it easier to blame other people for the reason why we're acting. We find it easier to blame other people, point out their flaws, but it's so hard to look within ourselves, realize where we're falling short, and realize where our potential is lacking, and realize where we could improve ourselves. The truth hurts. If you want to get to the next level, you're going to have to face yourself and think, how am I stopping myself from getting to the next level? What am I doing that's stopping me from becoming the best version that I can? You know, why am I so lazy to put so much effort into myself? But if it's a situation where I have to get to work, I have to build someone else's dream, why am I always there? You know, you have to really think about the fact that you have to put yourself first. Like I always say, you have to learn to choose yourself at all times. Stop making excuses. You're not really serving anyone, but you're just cheating yourself. Stop making excuses for why you can't be the best, why you can't be greater than you currently are. If you're striving for success, if you can even dream of a better life, if you can even dream of a vision board, that means you want better than you currently have. You want to be in a better state of mind, you want to be better physically, you want to be better financially. So why can't you put the same effort into getting those things? If you can make the effort to have a vision board, why can't you make the effort to, you know, attain those things? And I think it's time that we stop making excuses. You have to really go what you want. No one owes you this. You have to actually get it for yourself. And remember that if it's important, if you can dream it and if you can put it into a board, if it's something that you're constantly thinking of, if there's a will, there's a way. You can make this happen. It's just a matter of stopping with the excuses. And part of becoming the best version of yourself is realizing and using all the resources you've got. Fine, you're not really privileged as other people. You don't have a silver lining. You don't have the silver spoon. No one's feeding you. No one's giving you the money to kickstart your business. You don't know the right people. That's what you've been dealt with. That's the struggles that you have to go through. Don't use those as an excuse, but use them as motivation to get to the next level. Use whatever it is that you feel stops you from becoming the best version of yourself as motivation. You have to think, do you know what? I don't have someone giving me the money to kickstart my business. I don't know the right people. I don't know someone who can just make a phone call and it happens for me. But I'm going to strive. I'm going to make this. I'm going to make a life for myself. You have to want it that bad to the point where there's no excuses and failing is not an option. That's part of becoming the best version of ourselves. And we all struggle with this time to time again, but it's important to remind ourselves, no excuses. Choose yourself and become the best version of yourself. Thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.